All right, a pillow splint is a great way to do an improvised splint. They're soft, they form around just about anything. I use them primarily for like foot and ankle type injuries. So I have my partner holding it, check circulation, sensory, and motor. And really all we do is slide it under and it will wrap around. We have to secure it somehow, and that's where I like triangular bandages best. Just roll them up like you would to make a bit of a rope. And then tie them. And it's just snug and pretty firm. Whatever knot you want, I usually do. The Boy Scout in me usually does a square knot, but any knot you want. And 2 or 3 of these is usually sufficient to stabilize it. Again, my partner would be supporting it, so I wouldn't be moving it quite this much. And then you can check their circulation and their toes, wiggle their toes and motor sensory. And that's just an improvised splint with a pillow.